Hi guys, today I want to show you my software that my friend and I built for playing many games on Steam. The game downloaded officially from Steam server itself. Are you ready to revolutionize how you manage your Steam library? Introducing Gamebox, the ultimate tool for gamers to install and access games with just a click. With Gamebox, adding a new game to your Steam account has never been easier. Just search for the game you want, click Add Game, restart Steam, and boom, the game is yours. Gamebox is packed with powerful features. Easily filter through over 5,000 games, manage your Steam directory, and keep everything organized, all in one place. Our sleek and user-friendly interface is designed for gamers of all levels. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore collector, Gamebox makes it simple and fast to build your library. Download Gamebox today and take your gaming experience to the next level. Gamebox, the smarter way to play. Available now, try it for free.